Facts about Imran Khan's unlawful conviction and his treatment in jail. Imran Khan has been arrested under sham charges and sentenced to 3 years in prison. There are almost 200 politically motivated sham cases on Imran Khan currently, including charges of terrorism and murder, with no evidence to support these charges. Imran Khan's case was heard on a daily basis and concluded within a few days, becoming one of the fastest court proceedings. Imran Khan was not given the right to a fair trial. His legal team was not allowed to present his defense, nor was he allowed to present any witnesses. The judge who gave the verdict was known to have a bias against Imran Khan, which was evident in his social media posts. Imran Khan had requested to move his case to a different court but was denied. The judge presented a 35-page verdict in just 30 minutes, proving that the verdict was already written even before the hearing started. Imran Khan's legal team were marked absent during the verdict, even though they were present in the courtroom. Police arrived to arrest Imran Khan in Lahore within 15 minutes of the verdict being announced in Islamabad. The police had not received any arrest warrants by then. The police barged in, breaking doors and windows to arrest Khan, even though he had surrendered. The police covered his face and dragged him by his arm. Without any search warrants, the police searched and vandalized Imran Khan's residence after his arrest. Imran Khan is now being kept in a small, dirty, insect-infested cell with hardly any space to move and pray. Imran Khan has been denied any facilities, which is his right as per law and constitution as a former prime minister. His cell has an open toilet with walls hardly 3 to 4 feet tall, and he has been denied even the most basic necessities such as clean clothes and toiletries. Imran Khan is being watched 24/7 through a CCTV camera installed just in front of his cell facing the open toilet that he has been provided with. Imran Khan was denied a copy of the Quran with English translation and other books that he requested. Imran Khan is not being given access to any medical team. Imran Khan is being kept in complete solitary confinement and is not allowed to meet or talk to anyone inside the jail. Imran Khan was not given access to his legal team, and jail authorities were not letting Imran Khan sign the important documents in an attempt to delay his bail proceedings. Imran Khan's family and lawyers have shared concerns about his life being in danger, as he has survived multiple assassination attempts. The court ruled that Imran Khan be provided what is his right as per the jail manual, but the jail authorities blatantly violated the court order, saying that they will decide on what will be provided to Imran Khan and who will get to meet him. Imran Khan has been denied pre-arrest bails for not showing up for his court hearings in other numerous sham cases, even though he is in jail, and it is the jail authorities' responsibility to present him in courts. Imran Khan's legal team has challenged this verdict in the High Court, a case in which a bail is guaranteed in the first or second hearing. The Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court is now constantly delaying the hearings related to the bail in this case, that was concluded in historic speed through daily hearings. Imran Khan's legal team challenged the Toshakhana case verdict in the Supreme Court with concerns that he is not getting the right to fair trial, and raised questions on the conduct of the High Court judge. Even after being kept in the most inhumane conditions, Imran Khan is standing strong. He gave a message to the nation that he will not accept slavery, even if he has to stay in this jail for 1,000 years.